Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire 10030S manual ranging digital multimeter, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The 10030S is perfect for basic electrical repairs. The meter measures AC voltage for testing household wiring and appliances, and DC voltage for testing automotive and electronic circuits. The meter also measures resistance for checking motor windings, heating elements, and electrical connections. Special ranges are included for testing 9-volt, AAA, AA, C and D type batteries. Readings are taken on a large digital display, and a built-in backlight illuminates the display when working in dimly lit areas. A continuity beeper is also provided for a quick go, no-go checks on fuses, wires, and cables. Use the rotary switch to select the proper range for your application. The 10030S has a rugged, double-molded housing and comes complete with instructions, test leads, and battery. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.